Welcome to The Future Files, where we explore the possibilities and innovations that shape our future. In today's episode, we delve into the future of food, focusing on sustainable agriculture and the emergence of alternative protein sources. Join us as we uncover how these advancements are reshaping the way we produce and consume food. Segment 1. The need for sustainable agriculture. With the global population on the rise and environmental challenges becoming more pressing, sustainable agriculture has become a crucial focus. We discuss the importance of sustainable farming practices, such as regenerative agriculture, precision farming, and vertical farming, in ensuring food security and minimizing the environmental impact of food production. Segment 2. Alternative protein sources. As traditional animal farming faces scrutiny due to its environmental footprint, alternative protein sources have gained traction. We explore the world of plant-based proteins, cultured meat, and insect-based foods. Discover how these alternative sources are not only addressing sustainability concerns but also providing nutritious and delicious options for consumers. Segment 3. Innovations in food technology. The future of food is intertwined with advancements in food technology. We highlight cutting-edge technologies, such as cellular agriculture and lab-grown meat, that are revolutionizing the way we produce food. Explore the potential of these innovations to meet the growing demand for sustainable and ethical food production. Segment 4. Vertical farming and urban agriculture. With the rapid urbanization of our world, vertical farming and urban agriculture are gaining popularity. We examine how these practices enable food production in urban areas, reducing transportation costs and carbon emissions. Discover how vertical farms and rooftop gardens are bringing fresh produce closer to consumers while minimizing the ecological footprint. Segment 5. Sustainable food systems and circular economy. Creating a sustainable food system requires a holistic approach. We discuss the concept of a circular economy in the food industry, emphasizing the reduction of food waste, responsible packaging, and efficient supply chains. Learn how a circular approach can enhance sustainability and contribute to a more resilient and equitable food system. Segment 6. Consumer awareness and behavior. As consumers become more conscious of the impact of their food choices, we examine the role of consumer awareness and behavior in shaping the future of food. Explore how conscious consumption, food labeling, and transparency initiatives are driving change and empowering consumers to make sustainable food choices. As we conclude our exploration of the future of food, it is evident that sustainable agriculture and alternative protein sources hold the key to a more resilient and ethical food system. By embracing innovative farming practices and adopting alternative protein options, we can ensure a future where food is not only nourishing but also environmentally sustainable. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on the future of science, technology, and innovation. Together, let us shape a sustainable and delicious future of food.